Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study about pointer arithmetic. So two arithmetic operations which may be used on pointers are addition and subtraction. Now suppose P1 is an integer pointer variable with current value 2000 and we have assumed that integers are 2 bytes long. Now see this expression P1 plus plus. So this expression will increment the value of a pointer variable P1. So after this expression P1 will contain the value 2002, not 2001, because each time this pointer variable P1 is incremented, it will point to the next integer, because P1 is of type integer, base type of P1 is integer, and here we have assumed that integers are 2 bytes long. So whenever we increment the value of this pointer variable P1, then it will be increased by 2 units. Similarly, assuming that P1 has the value 2000, then the expression P1 minus minus, it will cause P1 to have the value 1998. So each time a pointer is incremented, it points to the memory location of the next element of its base type. And each time a pointer is decremented, it points to the location of the previous element of its base type. Now let us see an example. After this example, it will be more clear. Suppose P1 is a pointer variable, right? And now see this expression, P1 is equal to P1 plus 12. So this expression will make P1 point to the 12th element of P1 type beyond the one it is currently points to. Now suppose P1 is an integer pointer and it contains the address 1000. And here we have assumed the size of integers are of 4 bytes. So what will be the value of P1 plus 12? So first of all, see that P1, what is the base type of P1? The base type of P1 is integer, right? And here we have assumed that size of integer is of 4 bytes. So P1 plus 12, it will be equal to P1 plus 12 into 4, that is 1048, right? So P1 plus 12 is equal to 1048. So see this expression, P1 is equal to P1 plus 12. So this expression makes P1 points to the 12th element of P1's type beyond the one it currently points to. So this is how we can add integers and subtract integers from pointer variables. So beside addition and subtraction of a pointer and an integer, only one other arithmetic operation is allowed. That is, you can subtract two pointers, right? You may subtract one pointer from another in order to find the number of objects of their base type which separate them. All other arithmetic operations are prohibited. Now how we can subtract two pointer variables? Now consider two integer pointer variables P1 and P2. The value of P2 is 1020 and the value of P1 is 1000. Now here we have assumed the size of integer is of 4 bytes, right? So these two pointer variables P1 and P2, they are integer variables, and here we have assumed that the size of integer is of 4 bytes. So P2 minus P1, it will be equal to value of P2 minus value of P1 divided by size of base type. So here we have assumed that size of a base type, here base type is integer, so size of base type is 4 bytes. So this expression, it will be equal to 1020 minus 1000 divided by 4, and it will be equal to 5. So P2 minus P1, in this case it will be equal to 5. Therefore these two pointers P2 and P1, they differ by 5 objects.